homeowners like the idea of peace of mind that installing a home security system can bring, and Better Business Bureau receives numerous inquiries each month from people researching security system companies. On the other hand, BBB also receives many complaints from consumers about less than ethical companies attempting to get them to switch services. This is often done by door-to-door salespeople claiming to be the consumer's current provider and offering an upgrade, or by saying that the current alarm service is out of business and was sold to the door-to-door salesperson's company. Make sure the company you choose is credible by following these BBB tips.
Choose a reputable business. Carefully consider security requirements and budget. Deal only with reputable firms and check out the company with BBB first. Get 3 quotes. Remember, the lowest price is not always the best option. Find out if the companies are properly licensed in your jurisdiction and ask if the company runs a criminal background check on employees prior to hiring. Ask about all charges up front. Prices for home security systems vary based on the level of protection and type of technology used. Compare bids on similar systems and remember to factor in the initial installation charge as well as monthly monitoring fees. Consult with your insurance agent as some systems may qualify for a discount on homeowners insurance premiums. Know the ins and outs of the contract. If the alarm system will be monitored either by the installing company or by a third-party monitoring center, find out the length of the contract. What is your recourse if you're not satisfied with the services provided? Can you cancel? What are your rights if the monitoring company is purchased or acquired by another alarm company? These are the types of questions you need to consider before you obligate yourself to a long-term contract. Make sure you watch out for the following red flags. High-pressure sales tactics. A reputable seller will give you the time to think through the deal and will make an appointment to return at a later date. Take time to do your research and make an informed decision. Deals that are too good to be true. Some sellers might offer an extremely good price for their products or services. You get what you pay for, and many people have been quickly disappointed when the product didn't live up to the hype or the company did a shoddy job. Lack of company identification. Any legitimate salesperson would be able to provide you with positive identification for both themselves and their company. Also, beware of sellers who don't appear to have any ties to the community. These workers often enter and exit an area quickly and may not deliver everything promised. A poor rating with BBB. Always check with BBB first to see the business's rating, how they've handled complaints, as well as customer reviews and other information available in their BBB business profile. For more information, visit bbb.org or give us a call at 800-828-5000.